Hi everyone, I'm Cemal Bulunmaz and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. I have a guest today, Mr. Turgay, my cousin and brother, and he will show you different models on a bangle to understand more about hand diamond cutting. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
What you will show us today?
I will use today's 5 tool.
5 tool?
5 tool.
Oh, next time you use 200 tool maybe, yeah?
We have limitless.
Ladies and gentlemen, Turgay is out of control. He is using all the tools, but that's good for me. You can buy lots of different tools from us. We have 36 tools in our tool set, but actually we have up to 200, 300 models of hand tools. You can choose, you can buy one by one, or you can have in a set. So in this video, he chose us a nice model on a bangle, and we will watch all the process. We are with Turgay, my brother cousin, and he's making us new hand cutting models on a bangle. He's choosing the tools, he's choosing the model, and he's choosing the combination of that tool. So now I shut up, I don't talk anymore, and I give the microphone to Turgay.
Thank you. I am Turgay. Today I will make new model. I will use 5 tools, and first one is point tools. I will use point tools.
I want to show point.
Yeah, you need to show.
I will not talk, but I can show.
Just show.
Bulunmaz catalog.
Yeah.
What is this?
Nice catalog.
Nice catalog. Where they can download it? Where the people can download?
Our website also.
Of course. What's the
We have also
www.bulunmaz.com. You can download our
Yeah,
catalog.
of course.
This catalog.
Yeah, this catalog.
And
Also,
page 11.
Page is 11.
You can see the point models. And you are using which point now?
I will use now is circle tools, but this one is 2 millimeter, 2.5 millimeter.
2.5 millimeter circle.
Yeah, circle. I will use.
Oh.
Yeah, this is important one is degree, because this tool is like CNC tools, but important one is degree. And also just soft touch. Just you can make like this circle.
You have to touch 90 degree.
Yeah, this 90 degree important. If you not touch 90 degrees, tools is effect is not good.
Can touch this.
Yeah.
What you do?
And also this tools is very popular because it's like CNC tools. Also you can make like CNC model.
Some people call this imitation CNC or manual CNC.
Yeah.
Just for fun name. But you can get CNC models pretty similar with this tool. You cowel all around?
Yes, I will make complete.
Is it difficult?
Yeah, tools is difficult, and you need just small touch. And I told again, this important one is degree.
We are using Bulunmaz Micromotor. It's a 50,000 RPM micromotor, but just for this point tool we have another product that's a angle air pneumatic 80,000 RPM grinder to make that point tool. That's just used for point tool, so you can work it easier, but I prefer to work micromotor because it's our best seller, of course, and we prefer to use micromotor. It's a multi-purpose machine. If you want to focus on point tools, that could be an interesting idea. Is it done?
Yeah, almost.
That tool needs a little bit practice, but after practice you can work it easily.
Nice point is finished.
Very nice. Can I touch?
Yeah, of course, of course. You can touch, you can like.
I can like. Don't forget to like our video, very important. So we covered point tool, circle tool actually, and now
Just later is inside empty, and I will make 3mm 180. Also
you can make.
mirror cut.
We are producer of this tool, so if you have special orders, if you cannot find the tool you need in our catalog, you can always send us your special orders. We can make it, we can manufacture and send you immediately. It's shiny, eh?
Yeah, just shiny. Middle, just touch point middle.
Sometimes we get out of center. It must be right in the center, but be sure that you are seated during your work, so your hand precision will be much better. Oh,
Yeah, it's looking
shiny.
very nice.
This is a popular model or just your
Yeah,
model?
this now is
Is it
most
in the
popular.
market?
Also, market is everywhere is popular, these tools, because this about similar is CNC machine model. Also because sometimes CNC machine cannot buy because expensive.
Yeah.
That's why is people using this tool like CNC model. Now is we are finished.
When you don't have enough budget but still you want to make models look like CNC machine designs, you can consider point tools because they are really almost same as CNC models. Here you can see the result. We used circle tool, and then in the center we use the 180 flat tool to make such design. And now I guess he will complete the sides.
Yeah,
of the
this
model.
time is most popular this
What
model.
model?
Now is I will use thick wheel, but
wheel
thick one.
thick wheel.
Yeah.
Thick wheel.
Yeah, thick wheel.
Thick wheel.
Yeah, thick wheel.
Thick wheel.
We
Thick
can
wheel.
use
We are using thick
25.
wheel. 25 RPM speed. Turgay, when we can meet you next? Which exhibition?
I'm not sure because it's now is in the world is is COVID.
It's COVID
Problem.
time, so all the exhibitions are already cancelled. We cannot travel
Yeah, we cannot.
so much these days, but
I hope January is Italy. I
in
hope
January
opens.
we always exhibit in Vicenza Oro, T-Gold. Every January, maybe they will cancel it, but if they do it, you can meet us in Vicenza to learn more tricks, to know more about our tools. You will cover one side, huh?
Yeah.
And what you do other side? Different tool.
Different tools. I have 5mm 8 line PCD tools.
You use 5 tools?
I
huh?
will use. Yeah.
Oh, you have no limit.
Yeah, we don't have a limit. Just think, and you can make. For example, one tool you can use many type. This means, for example, one tool you can make many models.
Same tool, you can use a different ways.
Yes.
It doesn't mean one tool will make one model. You can use it in different ways and create different models. Even with the same tool, you can change the speeds of the background tool. You will get different design. What happened?
Yeah, just one problem.
Finish?
Yeah, almost finished. Just one. I will make slow because it's I don't want to
Damage.
cut. Yeah, damage is
Yeah.
point tool. This way is, I need to be careful.
We are working a little bit small just to show you more detailed, but if you want to see the real speed videos, just have a look at our YouTube channel. We have non-stop videos with faster speed, so you can have idea how long it will take. But for in average we have 5 to 7 minutes. I can say 3 to 5 minutes. You can make bangles, and 5 to 7 minutes for the complicated models.
Now I will use this PCD tools.
PCD rainbow tool with lining.
And lining.
Let's see.
RPM is 50,000.
Turgay, I am hungry.
Yeah, me too.
Let's go dinner. Let's go lunch.
What will we eat? You have a plan?
Yes, secret.
Kebab. Secret.
Some tools you have to focus well, because the tool is a little bit needs to be balanced, needs to be held well. So be sure that you are in control of your tool. Wow.
Yeah, just sometimes can be problem, but this is small problem, not big. Also we can fix it.
We use this 50,000 RPM, but you can use 45 to 50, no problem with this tool. When you work this tool on gold, real gold, you will have a little bit rainbow color. So it will be a nice, exceptional design for you. And of course, you can use this tool in your CNC machines. You will have also very similar effect.
Yeah, it's finished.
Done?
Yes, done.
That's all.
Yeah, just I have one more tool I will use. This one is
Almost ready.
just I will use just one tool.
It's almost ready. We will have the last touch probably here. Yeah.
Yeah, just some versions. This 2mm 5 facet.
2mm 5 facet. That's a facet tool. What it means, there are facets on the diamond. It's not a flat or degree. There are several phases, so it gives many shiny effects. Here we go. You can see, if you look detailed, you can see that it gives shines from different directions. That's the last touch. We almost completed our bangle. That's all.
Yes.
We completed. As we told you, we used 5 tools in the model. PCD lining tool, 2mm 5 facet, circle tool inside 180, flat tool, and here another background tool, wheel background tool. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Very nice.
You have limitless. If you want, you can use another tools.
For example,
Just idea. For example,
you are limitless also.
Yeah, of course. You can make here is, for example, 2mm, 140 degree. You can cut.
Okay.
Cross cut like this. You can
Like
make.
here.
Yes, this is better.
Limitless.
If you buy this set, you can make many models.
You can combine the different tools and you will get different designs. Just have a look
idea.
at our Bulunmaz Tools Instagram account. We always post new photos of the models just to collect idea, or you can have a check in your market what's going, what's running, so you will have much more idea.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Amazing. Yeah.
It was a good video.
Yeah, thank you very much.
You are very calm today. What happened to you? You are very calm, relaxed.
Because I'm tired a little bit.
Oh.
Because today I wake up 3 o'clock.
3 a.m.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
3
Rocky
a.m.
Balboa. Oh, why you?
That's why I'm a little bit tired.
Yeah, Turgay is living in another city in Izmir, not in Istanbul, so he flies right here today morning to make this video series. so next video will be better.
Yeah, of course.
So,
thank you
very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us if you like our videos. Write in the comments if you have questions. See you again next videos.